Hey, what's up? Welcome back to another video. And today, I will be solving actually another easy uh, question because I need to do some other work as well. So I'm choosing an easy one to do, and it's pretty much very easy to be said. Like it's the majority element. So what's basically it says that given an array nums of size n, return the majority element, and the majority factor is that appears more than the floor of n divided by 2 or the half of times. You may assume that the majority element always exists in the array. Okay, fine. So we'll be using a data structure called dictionary, and yeah, so the intuition basically says that I will just loop each of the element. I mean, this is the brute force that might be some optimal. Let's just implement the brute force first. That I will loop through each of the element of the array and store its count in a dictionary. Okay, once that has been done, I will just loop through the dictionary maybe again and find out the majority element, which has a count of maybe more than which is more than n divided by 2. So let's do. For dictionary, we need to have mm, let's first have the length of nums. That's n. And for dictionary, we need num dict equal, yeah, and that's good. Okay, so hmm, so that's it. Now what we need to do is that for item, for I in nums, num dot I plus 1, I suppose. Yeah, this should actually do it. I'm not sure because in C++ when I used to code, this was pretty much obvious thing. Like there wasn't any error that was thrown while doing this operation, but I'm not sure of Python. Maybe, maybe it is obvious. So let's do it. Okay, and so for item, sorry, for key value in numdict numdict dot items. Okay, the dict may be sounding like something else. Forgive me for that. Like I don't think it should sound like that. Grow up kids. Okay, if value is greater than equal to appears more than, okay, okay, yeah, floor of n divided by 2, which is actually equals to n divided by 2, return key. Yeah, and since return minus 1, we'll just do it because it requires measured element. Like since this returns integer, so it should this should do the trick. Yeah, I was saying about this. This wouldn't have happened if I used C++. But yeah, fine. Okay, so I have to think. Okay, just see if I in num num det, then we will perform this operation. Otherwise, else num det dot add. I suppose I have to check uh, how to add uh, how to add an element and file cylinder. Okay, I use Brave. Yeah, let's just see this one. Okay, we can do update, right? Okay, but how to add items? Update method will do it. Using a new index key and assigning a value to it. Okay, okay. So I'm supposed to be like doing this one I equal to 0. Okay, let's compile and see the test results, and both are wrong. Why so? Hmm. Okay, this should be one actually. Yeah, okay, because once you encounter an element, you are basically this should be one because once you encounter an element, you are actually keeping its count as one. You should keep its count as one. Yeah, should not be zero. Like it's basically finding an element and then vanishing it from there. So yeah, I'm doing a lot of mistakes. Those are just silly mistakes. Okay, can I add syntax wise? Oh no, I'm doing a lot of silly mistakes. If this were an interview, I would have just failed by now. Yeah, it happened. Okay. And after this, we will be looking at the solution. If solution matches, of course, 15 beats 35%. So, yeah, okay. Is there any way, other way to see, like, let's check the tutorial. Okay, come on. Hmm. Hash map and no one solution. Who's it's a solution from Nets, NIITS. Big shout out. Let me just look at the solution. Yeah. Hmm. Hash is dictionary. Yeah. Yes. Is equal to n is equal to 1 plus hash dot get n. Okay. This is really complex code to be read. Like seriously, I don't know this notation. Hash n. Okay, and in nums n is equal to 1 plus hash dot get and 0. What does hash dot get do? It's supposed to return the value. I suppose. Hmm, okay, supposed to return a value, and if it doesn't find a value, then it returns 0. I suppose. Yeah. Okay. And if hash is majority, then rest is equal to n and majority is equal to hash n. Okay, it has done it in just one single line. I think this also does the same thing. Okay, yeah, I think this one's good. Good. I haven't coded in C++ a long time, so let's try it. How uh, I might get stuck in the coding element, but let's just do it. Okay, description. That goes to the description. Uh, okay. Mhm. Outer map would be, yeah, or and C lens. This is basically the for each loop. And B C plus plus. This was the operation I was talking about, which Python didn't accept. So this is it. Um, for auto item and P if item, this is basically stored as, okay, item dot second. Okay, for those who don't know about C++ hash maps, item dot second is basically the value is greater than, dot size divided by 2. Okay, return value, then return item dot first. Okay, let's check. Unordered map MP. Okay. Ah, oh yeah, yeah, yeah. I forgot one thing. And I forgot about the destination. Sorry. And this should be STD, but this isn't required since we have imported uh, standard bits. So again, silly mistakes. Come on, man. And yet again, it won't happen because we will be just returning this. But yet, yeah, after a long time, yeah, for MS, it's still taking a lot of time. But okay, it's perfect. It's perfect, 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 at least for me. So that's it for today. Uh, thank you guys. Like and subscribe. Maybe if you want. Uh, just thank you.